Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 Fusion and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Firstly, open Google from application. Where we are on it, we press three dots on the right corner and there settings option. In it, password manager, and there we can some passwords which our smartphone remember. We must press there. Now we must enter look screen to get access to our passwords, and there we can copy our email and copy our password by this first icon, or when we press this ice icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on edit, and there you can write something new on username. We can change something in passwords, or we can add notes to our passwords. After we change it, we press save. And the last step, we can delete all by delete and confirm by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.